Well, this is the top of the Opera House. Here, I made it to the top. You get a pretty good view from up here. And see all the people down below. And come around here. You're going to see our hotel. Hotel is just on the other side of that building over there, and the train station is right next to it there. So and there's the plaza where we walked the other day, and yeah, there's all the people down below there. Yeah, you can see them all down there. We did a tour inside earlier. So this is what it is up here with the ship. And you're back up here, and all you have up here is a little rooftop thing where you can see all the people up here. So, and of course we got Mr. Seagull here. Got a huge seagull, aka flying rat. But people have left corn there for him, but I guess he's pretty full. And he's got a marker on his leg. So he's looking for somebody with a piece of pizza or a hot dog or something, so he can snap it out of their hands here. So, but we won't let them do that. And if we look over the side here, there's some more people down here that are walking up also. Down the bottom there. And a little sculpture out there in the middle that just reflects light at different times. And more your little boats over there. Okay, like I said, this is up the top here, and there's all kinds of people up here, and nice day, a few clouds up there, but not too bad. Well, this is M1 Man Travel, and I'm currently on top of the Oslo Opera House, and a few clouds coming over here at the moment. So we're on the roof, and I'm going to turn around so you can see in back of me, and you can see down below the rest of the roof down there, and the water and everything there. So watch out, we're going to have more videos coming pretty soon of Oslo. Tomorrow we're heading up, flying up to Svalbard, and we're going to get on our ship for the next week, so that should be real exciting. Okay, M1 Man Travel signing off. Subscribers always welcome. This is just another angle from the top here, looking down. Cross over that bridge and cross the street and cross another street, and the hotel is right over there. The other day I walked all the way down there, way past down there, to go to the Resistance Museum, and walked all down that promenade the other day. So I think I'm going to walk down to a little mini mart now and get a piece of fruit or something here. So okay, here's the top here. Oh, we're going to go over and look at these tiles on here. They're kind of interesting. I'm here in Oslo. I'm up on the roof of the Opera House, and I met some people here that are very kind. They were interested in my channel, and this guy here who I met, he's going to introduce himself and say where he's from.
Hello, my name is Romain. I'm from France, and I met this kind traveler.
Okay, and thank you for his family and everything too. And have a little wave to the people out there. Thank you very much. Now, some of the outside of the Opera House is clad in this aluminum cladding, which is aluminum here. You can hear it. It's not metal, and have all these little dots and indentations on it. And what these are for weaving. If you've ever seen a jacquard weaver, it has all these little tiny cards with these holes punched in it that tell all the needles what to do. And that's why they did this all on the outside of the building. And you can see they're all like little, I believe it's jacquard cards. I'll have to look that up later and put a correction down here if I'm wrong, and I might try to show you a picture of it in here later on. But I don't know if you can see them on there well. We can come out into the sun here also and see, and there's a lot more up here. And you can see as we go up here, you can see all the different ones down here. You can see all of them here. So that's what it is. That has a meaning. It's not just a random thing. It's for all the seamstresses and costumes and everything that an opera house needs. They kind of paid homage to it here with these cards on the outside. They're all over. That building has it too. This building, you go downstairs to the outside, and right along the bottom you'll see it also. And I bet that there's 99% of the people have no idea what this is, but it is something. Okay, well, I was up at the top up there, and there's some more in the background. I'm not going to go over there. We're going to go back down, and you can see it's the good slant that I had to climb up. So it'll be a lot easier going down here. And yeah, here it is, going down the hill here. So that's what we're going to have to do here. Okay. Okay, we're still coming back down, picking them up and putting them down on the slant here, that's for sure. So there we go, down on the slant, going downhill. Oh, it's so easy going down. Nice, nice here. Gravity doing all the work there. The kid in my hefty weight, or at least that's what I think, is going downhill. Gravity pulling me down here. Okay, and it didn't get rained on, so we had a little shower earlier, but seems like it kind of stopped. Beautiful clouds out there.